Hi there, Dominic Biscaray with TPC Wire and Cable here. Hey, the product I'd like to talk to you about today is our fully molded DIN connector assemblies. DIN connector, as you may know, it's a German connector used very heavily on solenoid valves. And while a lot of DIN connectors in the field are pretty functional, we've added a few traits that we feel make ours a much better option in a lot of industrial applications. The first thing that I will show you, and maybe most impressively, is that this is a fully molded head. Most DIN connectors you get in the marketplace are field installable, and with it being field installable, that's one added step of having to put it together, and it's another point in the build that dust and fluids, contaminants can get into. Again, with ours being fully molded, you avoid all that. Plus, it gives you a little bit of added strain relief as well. I'm giving this a pretty good tug. Very strong build. The next thing that I like to show you is that this is a polyurethane shell that seals around itself. If you can see right there, our polyurethane shell seals to an IP67 rating. So you can just screw this thing down, and again, it's another point that dusts, fluids, contaminants can present a problem, but with our IP67 rating, the sealing of the polyurethane shell, that's one less thing to worry about. With a lot of DIN connector builds, the center screw can be a bit of a hassle. If you're in a tough environment, the screw falls out, you lose the screw, you can find yourself in a really irritated and pesky place, because that thing could fall somewhere, you don't get it, you lose the screw, it's one more thing to worry about. The screw in ours is captive, so it actually doesn't come out, it's a part of the head itself, it's not going anywhere. So again, screw falling out, you don't have to worry about it. It is a part of the head itself. This also gives you a little bit of built-in surge protection, and it has an internal LED status light in the head for troubleshooting purposes. So as long as that light is on, if you see an issue, if the light's on, the cable and the connector are just fine. You can tell whether it's a failure with, say, the cable or something mechanical, whatever it might be. Again, it's just one more step to avoid any additional troubleshooting. We carry these with a blunt cut end, but also we have some on the shelf that have a mini connector on one end, a micro connector on one end, and you can also, if you get into our catalog, we have a chart where you can build your own as well. So you can put together whatever length you want, whatever connector you want on the end, no problem. We've got you covered that way too. We carry the 4 main sizes on the shelf: 18 mil, 11 mil, 9.4, 8 mil, and we have these stocked and ready to ship. If you got any questions, you need a sample, please reach out to me or your TPC sales rep. We'd love the opportunity to help you out, maybe cut down your costs, labor, and downtime. Thank you very much. Have a great day.